Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to target USA audience on Instagram. So let's dive right in. Open the Instagram app and tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. You'll then have the option to choose Post to create a photo or video post, or Story to create a disappearing photo or video that will be visible for 24 hours. Once you've chosen your post type, proceed to capture a new photo or video using the Instagram camera, or select an existing photo or video from your device's library. Feel free to edit your chosen photo or video with filters, effects, and adjustments using the editing tools available on Instagram. You can also add a caption to your post to provide context and engage with your audience. Write a compelling caption that piques your viewers' interest and lets them know what your post is about. Look for the Add Location section below your post. It might appear as a text box or a sticker icon. Tap on Add Location or the sticker icon. Instagram will suggest locations based on your current GPS. Here's how to find a specific location in the USA. Type the name of the city, state, or specific location, like a restaurant or landmark, in the search bar. Once you find the desired USA location, tap on it to add it to your post. And that's it. By using this method, you can target US audience for your content. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.